All right, guys, this is another follow-up. We're actually 6 months post-transplant. Obviously, this is before the procedure with the transplant areas marked out. And this is Todd today. Todd, how we doing?
Oh, doing wonderful.
Guys, this is...
Feeling much better.
It's amazing, isn't it? Look at this, guys.
It is amazing.
Look at this hairline. This is 6 months post-transplant. This is a multi-unit hair grafting procedure. And one of the skills here, guys, is just the ability to work through the existing hair. And what we did here is reframe the face with an age-specific, natural-looking hairline and work evenly through all of this thinning. If we come back up, one of the things you'll notice is that you really cannot tell transplants from non-transplants because it just looks so natural. Really nice density. This came from the back of the scalp. So if we come around here, we'll have a look where we took it from. This was a multi-unit hair grafting procedure. And you see Todd's wearing his hair pretty short here. Looks good. Back into the frontal hairline, a little close-up action again. Todd's been on quite a journey here over the last couple of years. It's absolute credit to him. Todd, we were kind of joking before that you sort of forget that you used to look like this, right?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. It's just been life-changing. You know, the way that everything has went, the procedure was very easy. You guys have been great to work with. Just very fortunate. It just, like I said, it changes your life. It changes the way you feel about yourself, the way you see yourself in the mirror.
Feedback, loved ones, colleagues. Now, a lot of people don't look at us the same way we look at ourselves, so they don't necessarily notice the change. But have you had any feedback?
To be honest with you, there was only one other person that really knew that I even had done this. And I had worn a ball cap for a while until it grew back out, and nobody's really, I can't say that anybody said anything directly to me, but I can tell the difference, obviously.
Yeah.
There was no hairline. It was all receding. It was so thin. It was just crazy to think that I looked like these pictures here. This is just amazing that I look like this, and now I've got a full head of hair. It's just the best feeling. And
you've been on, you know, we talked about it before, and incredible credit to you, man. Like, you've been on a journey the last few years, lost weight. I mean, just incredible. You look amazing. It's an absolute credit to you.
Well, I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, it's just a matter of, I was talking on the way up here. It's a longevity thing for me now. I just want to be as healthy as I can be. I want to, obviously, this was an investment for me because I plan on living many more years down the road. And the reality of it is I just wanted to make sure that I had a head of hair to go with that.
Man, congratulations. It looks fantastic. And lastly, appreciate you and your trust in what we do. And you know, we appreciate everybody. We particularly appreciate guys like this that are prepared to put it out there and say, hey, doing this is okay, and yeah, it's okay to feel good about your hair. So thank you, man.
No, absolutely. And like I said, I knew guys that had already done this and spoke to them, and literally, like I told you before, the feedback that I kept getting was it was the best thing that they'd ever done. And I'm just, like I said, I feel the same way. There's no regrets whatsoever. There was some fear initially. Is it going to work? Is it going to take? But as I saw that hair growing back in, man, it was just a great feeling. It really was. And awesome. You guys are first class to work with.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you.